Hello folks, this is a Black Weasel, and this is like the last video of being recorded on the Sony HD camera from September 2013. Because right now I got a new camera called the Canon VIXIA, the Canon VIXIA. So this camera is new. It was released on January 2016. So now I'm gonna switch over my recording operations towards that camera for the next more than 3 years, obviously, because I used this camera for since September 2013, and now it's December 2016, and it starts dying on me. So now it is officially out of commission. This is it. See you guys. Hello folks, this is a Black Weasel, and this is simply a new camera test of the Canon VIXIA. Now, so yeah, this is just a regular camera test. I don't have anything on my mind right now.
No, son of a bitch. A whale just breached out there where that splash in the water is, and I totally was not ready.